This one I want to work on the 3-count Sumbrada and why we do this again, because again I'm always stating that we do not fight with sticks. The concept is just too fast for any kind of fancy hand movements, okay? But this is what we're getting from this. If I give him the 8 here, he's going to give me the 1, and then I'm going to give him the 4, okay? And that's really the drill. And the basis of this is really trying to figure out how we're going to handle each attack. If he gives me that, I'm going to hold the hand here. If he drop the knife, please. So if I give him the 1, he's going to do that and check the hand here. When he gives me the 4, I have different options here. I have the drop stick, I have the low wing, right? I have the low shield. Okay, I've got a forehand scissor this way, and I've got a backhand scissor. I've got an elbow check, and then I've got a knife thrust. Okay, and all this will handle that angle 4. I can use the same 6 or 7 blocks on the angle 3 here. Okay, using the drop sticks and so on. Okay. Now again, in a stick fight, it's just too fast, and it's just 2 guys doing this kind of stuff, and you're never going to get in that close. Now the reason we do this is go ahead and pick up the knives here. Now really here's what it does is it trains us for the knife work and then the empty hands. If he gives me that angle 8, I'm coming up here with the same block. Here's my stick block, and I check the hand so I can get that and disarm that. If he gives me the angle 1, I'm coming in this way and I'm handling it that way, the same thing. I'm punching through to him, right? Again, we never push the knife off. We're always striking. Disarm is a product of striking, okay? If he gives me the angle 4, what this gives me is the ability to deal with the block and then controlling it and then doing whatever I want to disarm that, right? If he gives me that same one, this blocking of the low wing, where my hand's positioned this way, again, I can grab here, I can grab this way, I can grab this way, okay? But it gives me the option to block and then control the hand, okay? On the low shield, it's the same way. I'm here and here, and again, I can control it, turn it, do whatever I want, right? Because it's giving me that opportunity to block the same way. Same way on the backhand scissor, on the 4, I'm blocking this way, okay, and do whatever I want with that. Forehand scissor, the same thing, I'm going this way, and I can control that any way I want to. He gives me that same one, here's my elbow check, I'm zoned out, I can control the hand, disarm or whatever, okay? And same thing with the knife thrust, okay? So when I'm having you guys drill this 3-count Sumbrada, it's never for a stick fight. It's buying me the movements that I need to automatically block, and it embeds it in muscle memory, okay, so I don't have to think about it. But that's where you're going to see the most benefits to this is from the knife. And when he drops that knife, I can do the exact same thing with the empty hands. It doesn't matter on the angle 8. Here I'm coming in, boom, boom, and do whatever I need from that angle. The angle 1, I'm hitting through here, pop, pop, whatever I need to do. Same thing here, boom. I can go this way, from this position, I can do something else, right? From the shield, from the low wing, from the forehand and the backhands, all that, okay? So I don't want you to stray too much from the actual stick work and the hand checking from the stick. And then we drill that faster and faster, and your muscle memory will get into the system, okay? All right, thanks.